How to download our publicly available Docker container. In our project, we provide a ready-to-use Docker container alongside the source code, ensuring that all dependencies and configurations are pre-installed. Using Docker in software projects is crucial because it allows the entire development and execution environment to be packaged into a single, consistent unit, removing compatibility issues across different machines. To get started, simply pull and mount the image with the command shown in the screen right now. Once mounted, everything works out of the box, allowing you to run all experiments, benchmarks, and result generation exactly as we did, without additional setup. This guarantees that our work is fully reproducible, regardless of the user's operating system or environment. In research projects, especially in cryptography, Docker containers provide immense value by ensuring reproducibility, consistency, and security. Key factors that help validate results and build trust in scientific work.